Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start now by confirming core prerequisites: the latest game patch, practice mode enabled, and a light blade equipped to reduce input lag. Begin by entering a controlled arena. You want predictable trajectories so the auto parry routine can learn timing. Once in, set your camera to a stable angle and adjust sensitivity lower so small corrections are consistent. You do this because predictable inputs form reliable timing windows. Make sure to record a short test run to inspect your parry timing. You now build the core rhythm. Hold block, then tap the parry input on the visual cue, blade glow or hit flash, synchronized to enemy wind up. Start with slow, deliberate taps to map the timing, then tighten the interval as you feel confidence. Once done, introduce slight input delay adjustments of 1 to 3 frames so the parry registers as automatic instead of late. Keep consistency. Repeated, identical inputs teach the game's prediction to favor your parry window, which is why precision matters. You finish by reinforcing the sequence. Record multiple clean runs and practice until the action feels reflexive. Once comfortable, test on varied enemy patterns but remain on the same input routine so auto parry persists. If it breaks, first lower sensitivity or realign the camera by 5 to 10 degrees to restore consistent timing. This typically fixes missed windows. Finally, use practice bots to isolate tricky attacks. Repeat until your parry becomes automatic.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.